Convenient control of water heater from your smartphone. Hot water availability gauge. Weekly and monthly usage data comparison. Maintenance alerts, including leak detection. Top reviews from the United States. Overall a good product. Installation was very easy with basic knowledge. Basically you undo some wire nuts, add a junction box, the unit, and that is it. Sensors zip tie to cold water intake and relief valve. Instructions are clear. Wi-Fi setup was easy, again instructions are clear. My unit did not ship with optional leak detector as the item states. I am a bit of an energy efficiency fanatic, that is the biggest reason I made this purchase. I estimate the energy savings will pay for the unit in about 18 months in my case. This unit allows you to monitor your energy usage at the water heater. The usage is only shown by the day, week, month. It does not break it down by the hour, at least not that you can see. It uses a program to learn your habits and regulate when your water heater runs. So far it has not made us take a cold shower, and I have it set to most efficient. We have had the unit for 2 weeks and the kWh used per day for the first 2 days was 7.5 to 8.5. After that I switched it to most efficient and the kWh per day has been 6.2 to 3.1 over a 2-week period. The Aquanata is work, but it does not tell me exactly how it is working. I wish it gave me a little more insight into my usage and how it worked. However, it does work as advertised. You can manually set up a timer to turn on and of the water heater, but this kind of defeats the purpose of the learning feature. You can also set up for a time of use rate plan. This is where you pay more for power during peak times. For me this is a big deal. Power costs 4x as much from 2 to 6 in the summer. Now my water heater knows that and should adjust. This also allows to remotely turn off the water heater. In my case this saves $1 a day. I used to do this by flipping the breaker when going out of town. There are a few things that could be better. You access the remote functions through a website, not an app. This works but just seems outdated. There is a LED on the box that glows bright in different colors. It can't be turned off, and the different colors are not fully explained. There is a boost feature that gives you max hot water and away feature available on the remote website. However, there is no way to activate those from the unit, for example a single button on the front.